The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a top-tier robotic pool vacuum cleaner designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, ensuring effortless maintenance and pristine pool conditions. One of its standout features is the included universal caddy and classic caddy cover, which provide excellent protection and make transportation and storage a breeze. This model boasts advanced wall scrubbing capabilities, climbing pool walls with ease to deliver a comprehensive clean regardless of pool shape or surface type. With its always connected Wi-Fi feature, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere, adding convenience and flexibility to your pool maintenance routine. The top-load filter basket is user-friendly and allows for easy debris removal, ensuring crystal clear water and enhancing the overall swimming experience. Backed by over 40 years of the Dolphin legacy, this pool cleaner promises unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings, making pool ownership hassle-free.